This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Chaplin Williams Realty property video is presented by Exquisite, former SEDA Homes builder's model. The Almeria floor plan offers over 3,000 square feet of livable space for any lifestyle. Grand entrance leads to an office with glass doors and a separate 14 by 12 formal dining room. Fully applianced gourmet kitchen is perfect for entertaining with a large center island, wine cooler and wet bar and alcove, granite counters, 42 cabinets and an abundance of storage options. This area opens to a spacious great room with sliders leading to a 21 by 10 screened lanai with brick pavers and relaxing views of pond. Downstairs is the master suite with an extensive walk-in closet, double vanities, glass shower and soaking tub. There are also 2 additional bedrooms and a full bath. Upstairs is the 19 by 14 bonus room or 4th bedroom with full bath. 3-car fully insulated garage is great for toys, workshop or extra storage. Great location, just minutes to Amelia Island and 13 miles of beach along Atlantic Ocean and an easy commute to Jacksonville and Georgia. For more information, review the details below or contact at 904-261-9311.